Uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni gikundi gia gutetera ihoti kunainie na ugima wa mwiri wa uciari wonanitie atumia na airetu 2,600 ni makuaga o mwaka kumana na moruru ma uruti wa nda utari na uigiririki. Martin Lunalo uria niwe mutafariri wa mihango gikundi-ini gia kuruirira uigiririki motungataini ma ugima wa mwiri megie uciari augite aingi aria mekoraga hatikaini ni kumana na uthutukania uria urigiceirie ndereti ikonie uruti wa nda.
Wasichana wengi sana wa makamo ya chini ya miaka 24 wana afya mimba, ikiwa na watoto ambao wafaa kuwa shuleni, na wana afya mimba kwa njia ambayo haistahili, njia ambayo sio ya kihospitali, and it has really contributed to high maternal mortality in this county.
Bururiini wa Kenya, uruti wa nda ndwitikirikite kiwatho. Lunalo akiuga mawatho maria makonainie na giko giki ni umwe wa maundu maria matindikagiriria atumia na airetu kuhuthira njira itari na uigiririki na muthia kuiga miturire yao hatikaini.
How well can we encourage our governments to come up with positive policies that will encourage our communities to access to good health infrastructure, good health information, and services that are supposed to be offered that will reduce the problems that we are facing as far as teenage pregnancies are concerned, issues to do with unsafe abortion.
So our women and girls are still dying because of unsafe abortion cases, and our girls are dropping out of school because of early teenage pregnancy cases. So we are asking our government to look at the real issues in the ground, because it is these are not issues that are created by the CSOs. These are issues that are actually happening in our community.
Murugamo muhiu wa ikundi cia ndini wa kuregana na uruti wa nda onaguo ni wirikanite gucangira hanene mathomo makiria megie ndereti ino makiendekithio.
Makanisa tunahusika sio tu katika swala za kiroho, lakini pia katika swala hizi ambazo zimeathiri mpaka kanisani, kwamba kupatikana kwa mimba sio jambo ambalo ni geni. Hata wale ambao ni wachanga wako katika mashule, ni kitu ambacho kimeathiri sana.
Let's wake up, let's open our eyes and look at these issues with an objective mind.
Ngwataniro ya kimabũrũri ya atumia ya kuruirira ugima wa mwiri wigie uciari yaniririe umuthi ariguo muthenya wa gukunguagira uruti wa nda wina uigiririki thii yothe mwaka-ini wa 2011. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wacege.